everyone, welcome back. In case you can't tell by my flowers, it is officially spring and I am super excited because it is also Easter. Easter was really early this year. Now tell me, in your house, if you celebrate Easter, do you do egg hunts with these cute little egg kits, or do you make Easter baskets? Or do you use a basket to do the egg hunt? In my family, we tend to do both. Sometimes we do just baskets filled with goodies, and sometimes we do egg hunts. This year, I want it to be a little environmentally friendly. So we are going to make an Easter basket that is reusable. I'm going to move the flowers, and I am going to show you my basket. Now, we have used this basket for a few years. Look at how cute it is. It is plastic, and it's such a pretty pink. Normally with Easter baskets, you put the grass in the bottom. I happen to have something better for the environment and just as fun. And it's also easier to clean up because it will not get stuck in your cute little basket. This one still has the tags on from when I bought it. We should cut those off. I have scrap ribbons. I have green and I have this pretty pink. My thoughts are we use the ribbon to make the basket. So you know what? Just join me. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the green in the bottom because I have this green, but I also have a second piece of this. So do you know what I'm going to do first? We are not going to do that in the bottom. You know what? Just bear with me. I think what we're going to do is take this piece and we are going to, because every basket needs a bow, right? Let's tie this around. It's really long though. You know what? We will make this the front. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is really long, so I have doubled it. I'm going to actually turn my basket so that I'm starting at the back. And then we can... Whoa! This is really long. Oh my gosh, I just hit the camera. It's really long ribbon. I'm thinking, okay, it's probably not going to be neat. Okay. Sorry for my hands. All right. There we go. So we've gone around. I want it to be a nice thick band on the basket. There. Okay. Okay. You know what? You can do this easier when you don't have a camera there. You don't even have to do the bow. But I think that's good, right? Okay, we can shift it. There. This is such a nice size basket. And I'm not saying if you don't have ribbon to go out and get it, but if you have scrapped ribbon, because maybe you bought a Michael's box, you know, those where they get rid of everything, or other, I don't know. Yeah, sure. There's our bow. Okay. You know what? That is cute. It's a little wonky. Maybe tuck that under. Maybe we just tuck that under. I don't know. Maybe. You know what? That's pretty good. That's our bow. Now okay. All right. I'm happier now. Look at that. Okay. There. Okay, there. There's our bow. That is actually looking pretty cute. Maybe twist it. Yeah, there we go. There's our bow. Do you know the bows don't have to be perfect? But there's our bow. I like it. I like the green on the basket because it contrasts to the pink. All right, let's move on and actually make this basket. I want to know what you put in your baskets too. Do you put treats and chocolates? Do you do Easter bunnies? What do you do? What do you put in yours? As a kid, I think I only had finding the eggs and painting eggs. I don't really remember. But I'm going to put the green base in there. And that way it matches, right? You see my thought pattern? And I have a whole bunch of this. This is really pretty ribbon. And it contrasts the basket just slightly. And I am just going to mush it all up. Just mush it all in there. And I'm going to plop it in. And that is very much looking like an Easter basket. Look how cute that is. And you don't have any of the plastic or the paper grass. You know what? Do they even make plastic grass for the baskets anymore? Or are they all paper? Because if they're all paper, then those would be environmentally friendly too, if you recycle your paper. But let's get some of the green maybe popping through. Okay. Now, if I was to do, I don't like that. Okay, like that. I like it like that. A little bit messy. Because we're going to put stuff in there, right? If I was going to do an Easter egg hunt, I would just leave the basket like this. My house, we're doing both this year. So I am going to put some stuff in the basket just so that you get the general idea. But again, tell me in the comments, do you put treats or just chocolates in your basket? I do both. And I want to show you what I found at the dollar store. These are my, by far, hands down, favorite brushes. The wet brush, the wet detangler. I absolutely love these. And this one, look at the colors. I mean, it's perfect. It matches our basket. So we'll just like shove that in there. We can adjust the ribbon. And then I also have, these are my favorites. Mini eggs. These are the Waterbridge brand. They are so good. Now, normally I wouldn't put something this big in here. I would separate these. But let's shift them. We can shift. Look at how cute this basket is looking. I need to fix the bow. The bow is, we will fix, you know what? Before we go any further, let me just fix the bow. I know. Let me just, like, there must be a better way. Hold on. I'm going to just tip it. Okay. We are going to fix this bow because this bow, that's it. Off to the side, tilting. I just lost everything from my basket. Everything's falling. Okay. Should have just left the basket alone. Okay. There we go. I should have just left everything alone. Let's get our brush back in. Show me on Instagram the baskets that you made if you celebrate Easter, because I'm loving this now. I'm going to add these eggs in for the effect, but I will be using these because they are an egg hunt. But like, look at that. Okay, there's my basket. Look, the bow looks so much better. Scooching to the side. Obviously, I have to trim it. But how easy is this? And then you can curl your ribbons up and pull them all around. Like that. How cute is that as an Easter basket? There is no mess because everything is ribbon. When you are done, when you take the stuff out of your basket, you just roll your ribbon right back up. You can use it next year. You can use it in a different craft or activity or sewing project. I love it. I love the idea of using a ribbon. And I don't know why it has taken me this long to figure out you can use ribbon. And the green, okay, I'm going to tilt it again. I'm going to take these things out of it because I don't need another where everything falls. But when it's tilted here, if you look in, you can see the green from the ribbon on the base. And if you don't have two of the same color, like you can even do it like that so that the pink is curling up on the sides. Like, these are just so cute. And if this doesn't answer your question, in my house, we do both. I don't know if I answered that. We do treats and other. Like, I love this. I love this. This is so, so cute for the basket. I love it. Like, I have nothing else to say about this. I just absolutely love it. Show me your baskets on Instagram. My ring light just fell over. This has been a great video. My ring light fell over. I knocked over the background. But we finally got the bow. All right. That is going to be it for me for today. If you're making your baskets, again, share them with me on Instagram. What is your favorite part? Do you use ribbon or do you use the grass? You know what else you could probably put in here? Oh my goodness. Okay. I thought I was done. You could probably put your flowers too. Look at that. Okay. Your flowers, and then you put your treats, and you got the flowers going all around. You know, make it look pretty. Put your eggs in. Oh my goodness. Right? Look at that is another alternative. So if you have your artificial flowers, that's a little much. Let's take this one out. If you have your artificial flowers, they can also be in your basket. All right. I absolutely love this. I'm going to take it out so you can actually see the whole purpose of the video, which was the grass in the basket. Show me yours on Instagram. My handle there is @DollyDay, @myDollyDay, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for all of your support. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Thank you.